Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fortnite-Client-Win64-Shipping.exe error. If you're having trouble launching Fortnite, follow these steps to get it fixed quickly. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find Fortnite and click the three dots next to the launch button. Then select Manage. Next, click on the folder icon that says Open Install Location. In the Install location, open the Fortnite game folder and delete the binaries folder. Then, go back to the main Fortnite folder, open the engine folder and delete the binaries folder there as well. Now, return to the Epic Games Launcher, click on the three dots next to Fortnite again, and select Manage. Then, click Verify Files to let Steam check your installation for missing or corrupted files. Once the verification is complete, launch the game. Your error should now be gone. That's pretty much it. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Take care and bye.